Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna make a very simple plate detection project, and actually I'm gonna show you a very simple way to do that. How to read car license plates and how to detect them and how to read them. In the internet there are different kind of methods and most of them are complicated. First of all, the first method is you can train your own license plate detection model, or you can first of all via on some morphological operations you can detect the region, then you can try to read it. But actually there is a simpler way which I like to use, which is via on EasyOCR. We already checked this EasyOCR tool. By this video also I want to show you that you already learned this tool, but also you should think where to use which tool. For example, EasyOCR is a very beautiful tool for plate detection, and you are gonna see in the example at the end. So also I want to show you that one. What I did is I already got two images, which is the first one is very clear plate and the second one is a normal street view via on this plates. Yeah. EasyOCR, before starting, maybe I need to re-mention about EasyOCR is good to detect text, real life text, like this license car plates or some traffic signs, some which is including text or some text on the tools. These kind of things is good to detect. Tesseract was good for documentation reading, but EasyOCR for real life examples. Anyway, so first of all, if you know this tool, but your target is making license plate detection, and maybe this is not directly coming to your mind, but if you try this, you can see some different things. You can go from result the end to the beginning. What I mean is, for example, if we try this example, which is, let's copy this pad into here. First of all, this is a plate, and what I'm doing here is that I'm reading the image via on the reader, via on the EasyOCR object. Since I already made a video about this, so I'm not gonna mention detailedly. And also we are reading the text and all the information inside the results now, and I'm getting the bounding boxes and the text and confidences also. Here I don't check, I think, the confidences, but you can check in your case. So I'm deciding the top left and bottom right of the rectangle, and I'm drawing the rectangle, and also I'm putting the text, recognized text, on a bit top of the rectangle, and I'm showing the result. That's all. So if we run this first example and see how it looks like, okay, it's gonna come. Yeah, here you see is reading very well. Also at the same time is drawing the rectangle, but you can say there can be different kind of text around also in the second image. Actually there are, but what I mean is by getting all the text via on the EasyOCR, you can decide which text looks like plate, license plate, and that's all. So by using this EasyOCR, you can get all the texts. Just you need to filter it. How you can filter? For example, if your plate background is always white, then first of all you can check it. Or your plate has a logical order. For example, all should be numbers, or some after some letters there must come some numbers. By using these logics, you can decide this is a plate text or not. After filtering, since all EasyOCR is giving you all the text, you can easily get what you want, and it's very beautiful. So this was a very simple example. If we try with a real life example, let's see how it's working. Okay. Oops, I did two PNG, sorry. Let's see. Okay, now actually there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 texts in the image, but here you can see this here written something which is not totally not related with ID, so you can filter it. Or this one at the end you see, I don't know the rules, but at the end at least there is a letter. You can always expect a letter at the end of the recognized text. So if there isn't, you can filter it out. For example, here there is no letter at the end, so you can say this is not an ID, a license plate. So yeah, also there is a mistake here, but I think it's acceptable because we are just running this easy OCR via on the default values, default configurations. By also there are many things, mostly these things are needed inside highways and passing through cars. I think you need to focus a clear region. Then after that you can make some pre-processing steps, which is we are not doing here. For example, after pre-processing you can make a very clean text at the end and you can easily read it. So with this video, what I want to show is that plate detection is actually done somehow with easy OCR and you can use it. Also you can think differently. You don't exactly need the different complicated steps to do a different task, because yeah, all you need to do is just going the simpler way. Computer vision is very important. Mostly the result is important, not the way, because yeah. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.